First, we're going to start off with Buddy the elf. Let's do his hair. It's a curve around, and then it's really curly, so we're going to keep going around and making these little bumps here. And then from about this second one, we're going to go out a bit, and then we're going to make the shape of his face by going in and then out and around like this. Then we're going to make a little ear by going up like that. From this bump, we're going to go up, up, and make little waves all the way to his ear, and then stop right there. At the top, we're going to do some more little bumps all the way around his head to about here. Next, we're going to do his face. He has two eyes. One's going to be smaller than the other. So I just made one there. I'm going to make one more that's bigger than that one, like an oval shaped. His eyebrows, one is going to be like this. The other one, you make a line that's curved, and then you're going to curve up and come around like that. We're going to make his nose. His nose is just kind of like a C that goes like that. The mouth, start here and go up all the way. He's happy. I'm going to make a little line, just a crease for his face to add some more detail. There's one. Next, we're going to draw his hat. The hat is just a triangle that comes from here out to about there, and then comes back in. We're going to draw a little detail up top. There's one. I think it's like a feather. There we go. There's another one. Add some more details by making two lines in his hat. Just like that, and those are curved. We're going to make the rest of his body. He's going to have the elf costume on, which is just one curve and then another curve up to the face. We're going to make his body come from this curve down and stop about there. This side, same thing, come down and then flare out just a little bit. And then we're going to come in with that flare and then come out just a little, and we might draw a hand right there, so leave a space. Next, we're going to draw his arm. It's going to curve down like this. Next, we're going to make a line following that one. We're going to make a little armband by making a rectangle just like this. And next, we're going to make his hand. His hand has one finger, another finger, another curve for a finger, another one, and then one more. And then go up into his sleeve there. There we go. We're going to close off this part. Just like that. Now we're going to do his belt. His belt has a line here, a line here, and then we'll make a square. And then from that square, we're going to make a smaller square inside of it. And then we're going to continue from this line all the way out. Same thing for the bottom one. Continue to make the belt. We're going to add some detail onto his coat here by putting 2 lines, one like this, the other one like this, and then one straight down the middle, just like that. We're going to add some detail onto his coat going this way, 1 line, and then same thing, another line following that one. We're going to draw his other arm. He's going to be waving high, or by, I guess. It's going to be the narwhal. So go up and then draw a line that follows that one to curve into him, just like this. The sleeve has a rectangle, and then we'll draw his hand. His hand goes out and curved. Draw another one for his finger. Got another curve, and then 2 more. 1 and then 2 kind of going down. And then from this second one, you can draw a line in and then a little crease in the middle. Now we're going to put some little leggings on him. He's going to have a line just like this and then come down a bit like that. The next line is going to start about here and flare out just a little like this. From this line, I want you to draw in like that. Next, you're going to draw the other leg by going down, 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 past that one, just a little bit. And then same thing, follow that line down. We're going to make a shoe by going like a little V pattern. There's my V. And then go out, down, this way to the left, go inwards, and then we're going to go round like that. And then from this point, we're going to go from this line in and then try to follow that swirl back in, and there's a shoe. Close up that line, there we go. We're going to do the other shoe. The other shoe is kind of peeking behind it. So draw a line up like the last one and then draw a line down. We're going to make that V in the middle. We're going to draw a line down, and then we're going to go around, swirl it, and then from that swirl we're going to go around and then in, just like that. Next, we're going to draw the narwhal. His body starts about here and then goes around like this, and then from that line draw a line down to the bottom. He has a little fin that goes out like that, and then from that fin goes in a bit, and then we're going to draw a line down and try to make these 2 lines meet, and then we're going to close it off just like that. He's going to be standing on an iceberg and he's in the water, so kind of draw little pond marks or water ripples by making a curve around him, and then another curve, a line, and then one more line like that. For the narwhal's horn, we come out a bit like that and then come down like a triangle. He's going to have lines in between the horn, just like this, all the way up. Now we're going to draw the narwhal's face. It's going to have a mouth and eyes. Let's start with the eye about here and draw a big circle, and then a circle inside of that one. We're going to draw a little mouth and draw a smile, and then from that smile make it grow big like this, and then a little laugh line underneath. And then I'm going to make this black and that white, and then this one black in the end. After that, we're going to draw him standing on the iceberg. So start at his feet and make a curve around like this, and then come back in and go up, and then go out a bit, and then curve all the way up to his foot like that. And then if you have room, you can close off the iceberg in the middle, just like that. Next, we're going to draw a line down from this point of the iceberg, and then it's going to go a straight line all the way to the other side, and then draw a line down. We're going to draw some detail marks on the iceberg by just drawing lines like that one down the middle, and another one, and you can put as many or as little detail marks as you want, just like that. Let's start coloring. Here we go. I added a little bit of like a pond ripple at the bottom, and then bye buddy. Bye buddy. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.